Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contact form on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, you can see in here my Wix website editor. So from in there, click on this plus icon right here in order to add elements. Now, once you have opened that, just click on this contact and forms. So once you click on that, you should be able to see some options right here. Just click on contact for the forms. And then you can see here, forms designs that you can use. So for this one, just choose the one that resonates with you the most. So for me, I'll just choose this one right here. So in order to add that, just drag and drop it on your Wix website. So I will just scroll down and put this right under here. So as you can see, I have added it and it's quite loading for now. So let's just wait for that to finish loading. But once it's finished loading, we should be able to see what it looks like. So when you scroll down, you can see here, this one. So I can also resize it if you think that this is big enough. So let's try to resize this one first before we proceed. So as you can see, it looks like this right now. So we can actually edit this form. So just click on this form, you can see this form settings. And once you have click on that, you can see and open this Wix forms right here. Under the main category right here, once you click on this view submissions table, you should be able to collect any info and then root down under dashboard. So if you click on it, it will redirect your dashboard of your Wix account, wherein you can see every people that has answered this specific form. So you can just wait for this to load. You can also just see that under the communications and forms and submissions right around here. You can see in here the submission time, the first name, the last name, the email, and the phone. So this right here are the fields required by you on your form. So we can actually change that. So let's try to change this one. So for this, in order to change it, just click on settings. And then in here, you can put in the name of your form. So just put in here anything that you want. So for me, I'll just put in contact us. And then under here, you should be able to see here as well the submit message. So you can just use this default message of theirs, or you can also just put in a specific message you want. So let's click on always right here. So whenever someone else has submitted a contact information, we should be able to see and send them this one message. And auto accept payments on your form if you're trying to sell. Then see in here the conditions. So you can customize this form based on the store's answers. So you can create conditional rules and already change this form as visitors fill it out. In here, you can see the contacts. So if you click on this choose fields right here, you should be able to see the submissions to contacts for this one. So the contact field is this first name, the last name, as well as this one right here. So under the position right here, if you think that a field is not required, you can actually just look at that specific field. So let's try to use and click on this elements right here. Under the elements, you can see that we have opened this add new field. So we have this one, we can add in a captcha, email, fold, and anything like that. So in here, you can always see the basic fields that you have and then the advanced fields. So you can just click on one and then just try to delete on that choices. So let us delete this position, start date, and then this link to CB and LinkedIn. So let's delete those things. And once you have deleted that, then actually head over and then put in and then readjust your form. So this button, let's bring it up. Just like that, as well as this right here. So let's bring it up as well, just like that. So once you click again on the form, you can click on this add new field. And when you click on the add new field, you can see, and again, the options if we can add for this one. So when we hand over again and then click on form settings, we should be able to see everything in here. So we can also click on this support and then email marketing right here, wherein you can utilize their emails for your email market. Already what you can do is you can actually head over to this layout right here. And using this, you can actually use this in order to change the design or anything under the layout of your form. So we can change it up however you want. So for me, I don't want to change it up again. So I'll just change it as this. Other design right here, you should be able to see and discover more design. So if you think the uploading in here is actually for you, can as well customize your design. We can change just a mid button. We can fill out the color and opacity. Then change the color right here. For example, want to change it into this color, can change it into that, as well as this one. When you click on this hover here, we should be able to see this hover button right here. And once a person has click on this specific apply button or hover over that apply button, they should be able to see that this one will zoom out. Then you can also as well do this on the submit button for background and input fields. If we click on input fields, you can change their color and opacity into one that matches your first red color. So it can be just like this as well, or you can edit it into theme color or add a new color that you want. So I will make this lighter, like this one, just like this. They can edit it out however you want, and once you're done everything, just click on the publish button right here, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add the contact form on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, then please leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.